Hi guys, it's Candace. Welcome back. Glad to be back. So I thought I'd do a little bonus video with an Etsy share from the Junk Journal Studio. I'm sure some of you all have seen it or gotten notice. Excuse me, notifications that Michelle has a new horizontal everyday word. So I just wanted to flip through it real quick with you so you can see it. And because I should have done this sooner, but you know, it just wasn't going to work out. But this, you have 64 pages, and they're, 8 different colors, and then she's got some sweet new stamp styles in there, and some extra labels and tabs in here that she's put in this time. So, here we go. So, like I said, these are her large ones. She has 3 different sizes in each color. She has a large, medium, and a small. So this is just a plain black ones that's on black and white, and you can print it on any color paper or any kind of print, so it can give you a little other designs and stuff on there, so don't forget that. But look, she's gone and put these sweet labels and some tabs in here, which is great. Oops, I'm stuck. Hold on. Okay, there. Oh my gosh, look at these. Aren't these sunflowers so pretty? Oh, yep. I love the little digitals that she, her designs, stuff that she finds and comes up with. Oh, it's all up in my head now. Yesterday was really bad as far as in my head. I mean, it was seriously in my head and just like a faucet. It was ridiculous. So anyway, enough info, or TMI, too much info. But look, she went and took and made tabs out of some old vintage letters and stuff. I like that. That's really pretty. And then some more little labels. We're looking at the words too, but, I'm drawn to the other stuff too. I don't know if you can overdose on Mucinex, but let me tell you, you can only take 2 a day, but whoo, man, that stuff's rough. And then these cute mushrooms. And these are just some cute little words. Sunshine, thoughtful, journal, journey, inspired. Just some basic words that are really cute. And then this is blue. I don't call it royal blue. I don't know. Maybe it's just me and my eyes right now. But it's a really pretty, I don't know. Remember back in the old, when you used to get those like box of 64 crayons and they had like sunflower blue? This is more of a, not really a royal blue or blue. It's just a really pretty blue. And these colors looks like they'd be really pretty in a sunflower journal. I know, we're going to have to do, actually I have 2 planned. I got to get on top of stuff. I'm already behind. I've already lost 10 days of my life so far to this head cold. I'm sorry, I flipped through that. See those pretty little tabs, huh? And then you could use the little small words and put in there if you cut them out too. I think I'm putting these upside down. Oh, well, I'll survive. Look at these little pretty flowers. And she's got the green and cream, so, it's more of a woodsy green. I know, I need to flip a little faster. Ooh, John's up there sneezing. That's because he's been out in the cold playing in the snow, the ding-dong. Oh, and then we have this. Yeah, I did film something earlier because he thought he was going to drive this little 4-wheeler car that we have. It has no heat. We haven't used it. Hasn't even cranked it for 3 years. The battery's dead. And so after doing all the snow, scooping it off, messing around in there, the battery, one of the batteries in the truck doesn't fit it. So he was like, oh, forget it. Look at these pretty horses. So then he decided he was going to take the 4-wheeler and go drive down the road to see how bad our road is. And yep, he said he slipped in 2 places. And of course, one is the one of the place at the very end where he took their mailbox out the first year we moved here with the ice. So he said that he wasn't going back out. Said he would probably venture out tomorrow because we need dog food. It was supposed to be delivered because we have that automatic ship stuff. Well, we haven't got mail for 3 days, going on 4 now. And so the dogs will be getting rice and leftover turkey juice and that we had, turkey pieces that we had saved from Christmas. And then we have enough dog food for tomorrow morning. And then we're in trouble. So he's going to have to go for it. But he should be fine because tomorrow it's supposed to be like 48. And then tomorrow night the temperature starts dropping down to the 20s and then in the teens again. So that's what's going to bring our stinking ice to our lovely hard dirt road. So, but yeah, because they don't, salt or anything. And then like last week when it first started snowing, I guess Thursday morning when he went out there to get me some more Mucinex because I knew I was going to make it. Because I only had enough for like 2 days and I knew we were going to be stuck in here. So he went out, got Mucinex for me and some more Airborne because I had taken so much. And then plus all my other stuff I had. But just in the short time that he was gone from when he left, he was gone maybe 2 hours. It had snowed so much that he couldn't even get his car up down there by the barn. So that's why he parked his car down at the barn and then walked up. But we don't have 4-wheel drive vehicles. And, we came from the city. We didn't have snow in Texas. So, and if it did, it was so stinking hot there, it melted right away. I mean, it snowed 2 times while we were there in 13 years. So, but look at these pretty roses. Oh, I love those. Those are pretty. And this is a pretty shade of purple. I call it, like last time, it's more orchidy. It's more like an orchid color. That's really pretty. But these are really, I like these. I like this little design. But yeah, like we didn't get mail because it snowed on Thursday, so we didn't get mail Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or today, Saturday. Because Wednesday, our neighbors at the end of our drive, remember I told you they were building a shop and they got it all done? Well, they were getting power run to it. But too many trees have grown around where their power line was, so they had to send, the power company came down to cut, oh my gosh, so many trees from all down there. It looks so different at the bottom of our driveway because this huge tree was on their side and they chopped it down, and it's just, I'm going to plant a tree on my stinking side of the thing now. It will take, 10, 15 more years for it to grow up, but it just looks so weird down there now. But they at least got their power. They're going to, well, supposedly next week they're supposed to come run new lines for them because they had old lines from the house that they lived in before they built their log cabin, which has been like 15 years ago. So they're having to do underground stuff, but they still had to, why, if you have to do underground utilities, underground wire, why you have to cut all these trees when you're, never mind. But all I can say, it's kind of ugly down there now. But these are really pretty flowers too. A lot of springy stuff in here. And then this is, red, but it's more tomato red maybe? More, not red, but tomato red, if that makes any sense. It's a really pretty shade of red. There's more labels and tabs. And some little ones. And some more flowers. And then this is more of a turquoise color. Real bright and cheery. I know I haven't even cleaned my desk. Everything, oh my gosh, it's just a pile of stuff around me. But, excuse me. I still have the little cough, but it's nothing compared to what it was. And I can breathe out of both of my noses now. Or I should say nostrils. I only have one nose. 2 nostrils. But yeah, these are going to be some much used words. And isn't this just pretty? Her greyhound and this lady in her little striped shirt. She's so Vogue. Alright, guys. Well, that's just a quick little share of the Junk Journal Studio's horizontal everyday words. And so it's $3.30 for the whole set. But these are, words and stamps and everything that you, can use forever and year round. So, add it to your list of wish things and go check her out. And, if you have room to get it. But if not, put it on your little save list to go get it next time. Alright, guys. Thanks for sharing some of your time with me. Thanks for sharing some of your day with me. Thanks for all your love, all your support. And thanks for watching. And I will get back on to doing some crafty stuff. And let me go get these videos uploaded, and then we will get going some more. So I will see y'all later. Lots of kisses, lots of love, and y'all have a great day and a blessed day. Bye, guys.